Every language carries the world inside it. A way of naming the sun, of counting the seasons, of telling a child who they are. For generations, the people of India's tribal communities have carried this world in their voices, passed it hand to hand, heart to heart, but voices alone are fragile. Open any encyclopedia, search any digital archive, type a word in Gondi, type a word in Kolami. Silence. When knowledge finds no place in the digital world, it disappears. Not with a sound, not with a ceremony, just quietly without a trace. But somewhere, two people looked at this silence and heard something different. Not an ending, a call and a purpose. That's how Boli Cheto, the Language and Livelihood Foundation, born. From India, aligned with the United Nations call, the International Decade of Indigenous Languages, to act before the silence win. Today, Boli Cheto works in 5 languages: Telugu, Gondi, Kolami, Assamese, Marathi, and reaches into the indigenous communities of India, where entire worlds of knowledge have never once appeared on a screen. Through the Wikimedia movement, they are not just adding articles, they are building Wikipedians. For Gondi, for Kolami, from nothing, from scratch, one word at a time. Because they believe as long as language lives somewhere in the world, it must live everywhere. In April 2026, it did. 50 people made a journey from Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. They came to a small resort at the edge of the forest in Janaram, Telangana. They came to learn, to document, to remember together. This was Wiki Warriors, a 4-day workshop with one mission: bring indigenous tribal knowledge into the digital age, in the languages it belongs to. On the first day, participants from different states of the central and southern part of India came together. The day started with registrations, and participants wrote their expectation and interest on a knowledge wall. Not of stone, of stories, a living mosaic of culture, tradition, and identity. On the second day, they became editors, guided by tribal speakers Athram Motiram and Siddham Kiran, whose voices had lived these words. They wrote in Gondi and Kolami for the world to read. While Siddham Vara and Athram Raju laid the narrative for the importance of building Wikimedia projects for Gondi and Kolami languages. The day concluded with adding more than 500 new pages to the Wikimedia incubator. On the third day, they learned to see. Palani Kumar, founder of People's Photographers Collective, taught them how a photograph can be an act of storytelling. He taught the participants to photograph their culture and living with cameras, and also taught the cyano-printing method to build the creativity of capturing the nature through shadows. And when the sun went down, acclaimed lyricist Akkala Chandramouli reminded everyone why this work above all else matters. His folk songs brought up the hidden stories of Adilabad region of Telangana, while Demsa beats of Kolam ethnic community rung in the ears of participants. The day concluded with all participants dancing to Rela songs of Rela Raj from Gondi community. On the fourth day, the photo walk to document the tribal culture of Adilabad started with blessing of Padmal Puri Kakubai, known as Yathma Sar Devta, at the Gudi Revu village. The bus moved on, while Kolam warriors Bhim Rao sung the songs of nature and their journey. Finally, participants arrived at Mattadiguda, the village of Gondi leader Sidam Shambhu. They walked the land, they listened. They told the story of Wiki warriors. For the ages to come, the knowledge of the Gondi and Kolami communities documented through Wikimedia. Because digital preservation must always be rooted in real human stories. Today, there are 400 plus Gondi articles on Wikipedia, 2000 plus words on Gondi Dictionary, 400 plus Kolami articles on Wikipedia. Photographs of tribal life uploaded, preserved, permanent on Wikimedia Commons. Dozens of new editors, people who now hold the power to write their own community stories. When a Gondi or Kolami article goes live on Wikipedia, it is not a small thing. It is an act of resistance, an act of love, a gift to every child who will grow up knowing that their language has a place in the world. Languages is not just communication, it is memory, it is identity, it is survival. This is what Wiki Warriors is about. And this is only the beginning.